Before sunrise, the mussel farmers are already at work on the water. The sky glows pink and orange, reflected on the calm sea, dotted with rows of buoys. Beneath these buoys, long ropes dangle into the depths. This is an underwater farm. Mussel spat naturally attached to the ropes, and over a year or two they grow, filtering seawater for food. No feed, no chemicals, just clean ocean and time. Farmers check lines, monitor growth, and protect the ecosystem, acting as both caretakers and stewards. Mussels, in turn, filter and clean the water, improving clarity and removing excess nitrogen. Suspended off the seafloor, they're safe from predators and help keep the ocean healthy. It's a win-win. The sea gets cleaner, and we get a sustainable, protein-rich food. This quiet, natural process is the foundation of an industry that feeds millions. All of it starts here, in the silent early morning beneath the buoys. Mussel farming is a partnership with nature, not a battle against it. Out here, every sunrise marks another day of sustainable harvest. When mussels reach harvest size, the calm farm becomes a hive of activity. A harvesting boat arrives, and a hydraulic winch hauls up ropes heavy with mussels. The crew, in waterproof gear, strips mussels from the ropes with a rotating brush, seawater and shells flying everywhere. It's wet, noisy, and fast-paced, but the team works with practiced efficiency. Mussels are tumbled to knock off barnacles and seaweed, then sorted and cleaned right on the boat. Debris falls back to the sea, while the mussels are loaded into containers for transport. This is tough, physical work, done in all weather before most people are awake. These harvesters are the vital link between ocean and table. Without their effort, there'd be no mussels for anyone to enjoy. At the factory, the mussels' journey continues. Containers are unloaded, and the air is filled with the hum of machines and the scent of the sea. Mussels are washed again, then debearded by machines that remove their tough byssus threads. Next, they're sorted on conveyor belts. Workers quickly pull out any broken, undersized, or open shells. Human eyes and hands ensure only the best mussels move forward. Batches are tested in on-site labs for safety and purity. After passing inspection, mussels are graded by size and sent to packaging. The process is fast, efficient, and blends technology with human expertise. Every step is about quality, safety, and getting fresh mussels to your table. It's a seamless system moving from sea to factory with care and precision. In the packaging room, mussels are packed in mesh bags or vacuum sealed, labeled for traceability, and kept cool for transport. Mussel farming is among the most sustainable forms of aquaculture. No feed, no land, and they clean the water as they grow. These farms boost local biodiversity and help fight pollution. The operation is a partnership. Farmers, harvesters, factory workers, and machines all play a role. Every mussel on your plate represents a clean, responsible food system. Next time you enjoy mussels, remember the journey from sunrise waters to your table. It's proof that working with nature can feed us and help the planet. That's something worth savoring.